Hello, my friends. If someone told you photographers cannot cook, he is not really right. We can cook, we can do quick snack, because if you work from home and editing, you don't have too many choices and you have to do something, and what is fast and quick sometimes you can go buy out. But if you are busy, not really too much time. I will show you today some avocado or guacamole mashed with some ingredients like tomato, and I will show it to you how you can use easy open toast sandwich, and I hope so we will do it same, and I hope so we will like it. Like, first you have to cut the guacamole and just take it out from the skin. I will need probably just one half today. I will see. That's it. After you're done with that, you have to mash the guacamole. The really good idea if you buy softer one, or if you store him at home and use him when he's really ready to go. I really love to add inside some cherry tomatoes for some better taste. And almost done. And I am planning to put on top of my sandwich some egg, and it's really, I think it's really a pretty fast breakfast or snack, and it was really easy to do. No, I just don't want mash too much the cherry, just a little bit, because it's make a little bit more color and it's a little bit more healthy. Also, you can put some salt included, or some pepper, really depends what you really like. Also, you can add some lemon. It's really up to you guys how you like it. I just squeeze a little bit inside in mine. I will mix a little bit and let me work on my toast. This will wait for me right here. My toasted bread is right here. You can do it your way, darker, other bread. It's really just up to you. After that, I put the guacamole on the top. If you are really hungry, you can make whole guacamole. It really depends what you like it and how you feel. Okay. And let me prepare the egg. I boil the egg around 4 minutes, it's enough, and it's really ready. I can put it on my sandwich, add a little bit more salt on the top, maybe some pepper. It's really up to you. And also you can add some paprika, and that's it. It's ready to go, and I hope so you will love it, same like me. Have a wonderful day, and let me enjoy this beautiful toast.